In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Sonos Sub to Wi-Fi with a quick and easy setup guide. Getting your Sonos Sub connected properly ensures you enjoy deep, rich bass with your Sonos sound system. First, make sure your Sonos Sub is plugged into power and turned on. Open the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your Sonos system to use. In the Sonos app, tap the Settings tab, then select System. Tap Add Product or the plus icon to add a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Sonos Sub into pairing mode. Usually, this involves pressing the Connect button on the Sub. The app will search for your Sonos Sub and prompt you to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message in the app and your Sub will be ready to use. If the Sub doesn't connect, try restarting your router and the Sonos Sub, then repeat the steps. Make sure your Sonos app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. That's it! Now your Sonos Sub is connected to Wi-Fi and you can enjoy powerful bass with your Sonos speakers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy audio setup guides.